forecast.
It is a chilly late February day, and that's going to set the stage for some snow tonight. Let's take a look at the conditions outside from our East Providence camera. Skies are mostly cloudy, and the clouds will get thicker and lower as the morning and afternoon continues on. It's 23 degrees outside in Providence. Normal high by the end of February is a low 40s. We're well below that all across our areas. 27 in Westerly, only 21 degrees in Smithfield, and the winds are very light, but enough to create some wind chills that are still in the teens, so you'll want to bundle up if you're headed out to grab a little lunch. Snow is on the way. We're still expecting about 2 to 4 inches for most of our area, with the steadier snow arriving between 7 and 9 o'clock this evening. We'll see some slick conditions overnight and into the early Thursday morning commute. The accumulating snow winds down before the sun's up in most areas, and it's going to be an easy cleanup for us as it'll be a dry and fluffy snow, but it will stick on the pavement. Unsettled weekend on the way. I've got at least a chance for some rain and snow in the forecast for Saturday, and then another system that we're going to have to watch for Sunday night into early Monday. This next system that's coming our way, an area of low pressure, kind of a weak one, and not going to really ever get its act together, but it does have that swath of accumulating snow that'll stretch across southeastern New England as the center of the storm takes a dive 2 hours south. So let's time it all out for you. Cloudy skies in place. They will stay in place throughout the rest of the afternoon. Notice at 3 o'clock, still dry. And you may catch a couple of flurries here and there passing through, but we're not expecting any significant snow, and that'll be the case through the evening commute time. Now notice again, as the evening wears on, we start to see that snow moving in, and we'll have several hours of accumulating snow during the nighttime hours tonight and into the very early part of tomorrow morning. By 6 a.m. the steadier snow is already winding down, and we'll just see some lingering snow showers and flurries through the end of the morning commute. As for the snowfall amounts, as I mentioned, we're expecting 2 to 4 inches of snow for most of our area. I dropped the amounts down early this morning as I was looking at data to 1 to 2 inches along the coastline. And one thing we'll have to watch for is the potential for some isolated amounts to 6 inches just 2 hours north and east. This includes Worcester and Boston. So if you have to travel in those areas tomorrow morning, they could have some additional snow accumulations from what we're expecting around here. For this afternoon, it stays cold, dry with a few flurries, temperatures hovering around the middle 20s. The evening commute, cloudy skies. Again, roadways should be in good shape for the evening with just a few flurries around, but then after the typical evening commute time is when you're going to start to see that snow moving in. Now notice the temperatures well below freezing. We are in the 20s throughout the night with some slick travel around, and that's just one of a couple of systems that are in the 7-day forecast. As far as travel impacts go, during the night through dawn tomorrow morning, or when most of the impacts will be felt, a little slow going tomorrow. Wouldn't be surprised if there were some school delays. For your forecast over the weekend, snow changing to rain on Saturday. It looks pretty minor. The second system Sunday night into Monday is one that we'll have to keep a close eye on, as that area of low pressure will try to make its way past our area. This particular computer model is showing rain, but many of them are looking at the potential for some accumulating snow Sunday night. 7-day forecast. 26 for today, mid-30s for your high tomorrow. It's a slow start to the morning, but then improving conditions as we head into the afternoon, with temperatures that'll be in the middle 30s, upper 30s on Friday, and then those lower 40s during the daylight hours.